Good morning, students. I welcome you all. Myself, Baby Rawat, your English teacher. I hope you all are fine and safe along with your family members. Today, I'll continue the chapter, The Thief's Story. In previous tutorial, we read that one evening when Anil came with a bundle of notes, 15 years old thief Hari Singh, he planned to rob Anil. So with this, let's begin. Well, it's time I did some real work. I told myself I'm out of practice. And if I don't take the money, he will only waste it on his friends. After all, he doesn't even pay me. Now, this 15 years old boy who is a thief and he told his fake name Hari Singh to Anil. Now he is thinking, he's planning about the money of this Anil, and he is thinking, Hari Singh is thinking that if he would not take money, then what will happen? He's saying that Anil, he would spend all that money on his friends. And after all, one more point, he had thought that Anil doesn't even pay to Hari Singh. So now he thinks that I'm working for Anil and he doesn't pay to me, and if I'll not take money, if I'll not take that money, then he will spend on his friends. So he justifies, the thief, he justifies that robbing Anil or taking that money is not a bad deed. Anil was asleep. A beam of moonlight stepped over the balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor, considering the situation. If I took the money, I could catch the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Now till here I'll explain first. Anil was asleep. Anil was sleeping, and a beam of moonlight, beam means ray of light. A ray of moonlight crossed over the balcony, and who was there in balcony? Hari Singh was there in balcony and fell on the bed. I sat up on the floor now because he was planning to rob, so he sat on the floor and he was thinking that if I take money, then I run, then I catch 10:30 express. E is capital, name of a train to Lucknow, which goes to Lucknow. Slipping out of the blanket, I crept up to the bed. Now what did he do? He came out of the blanket and he crept up means crawled to the bed. Whose bed? Anil's bed. Anil was sleeping peacefully. He was sleeping in calm. His face was clear and unlined. Even I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. Now he's saying that Anil's face, now he's describing face of Anil, his face was quite clear and unlined. So here it shows that he wants, author wants to tell us that Anil was innocent. His face looked innocent and with calm. Even I had more marks on my face. And now this narrator is saying that Anil was 25 years old and I was only 15 years old, and I had more marks on my face, though mine were mostly scars. Scars means spots. So he had spots on his face, though he was only 15 years old. My hand slid under the mattress, searching for the notes. Now here slid means slipped. Now his hand went under the mattress and he was searching for notes. When I found them, I drew them out without a sound. Without a sound means silently. When he got note, he took them out without any sound. Anil sighed in his sleep and turned on his side towards me. So he's saying that when Anil was sleeping, he sighed and after that he turned his side and now he was towards me. I was startled and quickly crawled out of the room. Startled means bewildered. So when he saw that Anil's face was now towards Hari Singh, he's saying that he was bewildered and silently, quickly, he came out of that room. When I was on the road, I began to run. I had the notes at my waist, held there by the string of my pajamas. I slowed down to a walk and counted the notes. 600 rupees in 50s. I could live like an oil-rich Arab for a week or two. Now, he says that now he was on the road and he started to run. After that, I had the notes. So his notes were where he held them with the string of his pajama. Pajama is lower, and after that he slowed down his pace and he counted money. So what was that money? 600 rupees, and those were 50 rupee notes. I could live. Now he's thinking that for 1 week or 2 weeks he can spend his life, or he can live lavishly like oil rich Arab. So A is capital. Arab countries, there I hope you all know that oil, Arab countries are considered oil rich countries, and they are very rich people, and in the whole world they export oil. So now he is saying that I can live lavishly for 1 or 2 weeks like Arab people. So he thought that he can live a luxurious life for 1 to 2 weeks. When I reached the station, I did not stop at the ticket office. I had never bought a ticket in my life, but dashed straight to the platform. Now he says when he reached the railway station, he did not stop at the ticket office to take ticket, but he dashed. Dashed means ran fast. He ran fast straight to the platform. And here in bracket you can say it is written that I had never bought a ticket, because he was a thief, so he always travelled without ticket. The Lucknow Express was just moving out. The train had still to pick up speed, and I should have been able to jump into one of the carriages. Carriage means compartment of that train. But I hesitated for some reason I can't explain, and I lost the chance to get away. Now he's saying that Lucknow Express, L capital, E capital, name of that train. That train was just moving out, and the train had still to pick. Pick up means increased. Means train was moving slowly, and before train increased its speed, I should have been able to jump into one of the carriage compartment. But though he stole money, though he came to the railway station, but what he is saying that he did not board that train. I hesitated for some reason. Now he is saying I don't know what was I can't explain means he doesn't know what was the reason. Why did he hesitate? And I lost the chance to get away. And he's saying that he did not board that train, and he lost the chance to get away from here. When the train had gone, I found myself standing alone on the deserted platform. Deserted means nobody was there. He was alone. So he's saying that when train had gone, after that he found that he was only one there. I had no idea where to spend the night. I had no friends, believing that friends were more trouble than help. Now he's saying he was alone there. He had no idea where to go, where to spend that night, because he had no friends. And what was his belief? That friends, they give trouble more than help. And I did not want to make anyone curious by staying at one of the small hotels near the station. Now he is saying that he doesn't want to stay in a small hotel also, because maybe somebody will doubt him, and other people will be curious, and maybe he will be caught. The only person I knew really well was the man I had robbed. And he's saying in that city, he was the only person. Who was the only person? Anil, whom he had just robbed. Leaving the station, I walked slowly through the bazaar. Now he's saying that he left the station and he walked towards the market. In my short career as a thief, I had made a study of men's faces when they had lost their goods. Now he's saying career means profession. In his short career, why he is saying short career? Because he is only 15 years old now. So we don't know when did he start this thing, robbing or stealing. So I had made a study. Now he says that he knows faces of people who were robbed by him. The greedy men. Now, greedy men showed fear. Those who are greedy, if somebody will rob them, they show fear. The rich man showed anger, and rich people, they show anger. The poor man showed acceptance, and the poor people, they accept the situation. But I knew that Anil's face, when he discovered the thief, would show only a touch of sadness. Now he's thinking about Anil, that if Anil comes to know somebody has robbed him, or Hari Singh has robbed him, only and only touch of sadness will be there on his face. Not for the loss of money, but for the loss of trust. And that will be not because of money, because Anil doesn't care much for money, but for the loss of trust, because Anil had trust on Hari Singh. Because we have read that one key of Anil's house was with Hari Singh. He had given one key to Hari Singh anytime he was able to move, and he was come inside his house or go outside. So now he is saying that when Anil will come to know, his face will be full of sadness, touch of sadness, because of loss of his trust. That's all for today. Now it's time for homework, students. Today's homework is read this chapter carefully and prepare your doubts for the next doubt class. So with this, I wish you good health, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.